Hello, my name is Alo. I'm from grade 3 First Language. Today we'll be reading about Popcorn by Karen and Alexander. Look at the corn. The corn is growing. It grows in rows. This is an ear of corn. An ear of corn has a cob and leaves. Corn kernels grow on the cob. Look at the corn kernels. They are special kernels. They can pop. They are popcorn kernels. Popcorn kernels are heated steam builds up inside. The kernels get bigger and bigger. They turn inside out and they pop. Some popcorn is made in big machines. Pop, pop, pop. It's fun to see popcorn popping. Some popcorn is made in little machines. Pop, pop, pop. It's fun to hear popcorn popping. Look at the fresh hot popcorn. It's fun to smell fresh hot popcorn. And it's fun to eat with this yummy treat. So that is enough for today. Bye-bye.